Haha, still nobody knows about the surprise. Can you guess what it is about? Almost? Almost, try again? No, that was Brett's surprise, and he did a really good job, but he didn't do the full Monty. But okay, tonight he will finish his job. So the surprise this year is what's coming on 3.3. Well, you all heard Julian's presentation yesterday about what is our now a new release strategy, and you know that the 3.3 version is coming very soon. And you know we have now a different roadmap. Now the roadmap is only 3 months. It's going to come as a Christmas gift for every one of you, and everyone else. So we'll talk about this, but you know we're having pressure of instead of having one release party per year, have one every quarter. I don't know if we have enough brain cells for that, but you know when you are approaching 40, you need to economize your brain cells. Anyway, we'll talk about this. Yeah. So what will we have in Christmas? What will be the gift, the Christmas gift that we'll have? So two main things. Open change, as you, well, surprise, surprise. So betting on open change means a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of focus. So one of the things is the open change technical preview number 2. You know that today we launched the technical preview number 1. What will be on the technical preview number 2? So first, we will support, we will have the guarantee that we support Outlook 2007 clients. You know that now we have focused a lot of effort on Outlook 2003, but by then we will be up to 2007. All the rest should work. We cannot guarantee that, but 2007, yes, that will work, which is already quite nice. They're already we're expanding to a much bigger percentage of users, and then they will come Outlook Anywhere. As the name suggests, it includes it includes the feature that your Outlook clients can access your OpenChange server or Exchange server from wherever they are. But there's something else. It also helps you to connect to an hosted Exchange and get back the data that you have. So this is very interesting. This is very important because we are helping you to remove the locking that you have with hosted Exchange. That will come in December, the Christmas gift for the whole world. And one more thing, as we announced already during these days, there will be the first service pack for Zentyal commercial editions that will include OpenChange. So you won't need anymore to have a project to have an OpenChange deployed without support. So that will come already as a standard feature on the commercial editions. So you will be able to have official support on any commercial edition. Good, but this is not all, of course. We cannot only focus on OpenChange. What happens if Julian decides to go around the world for 1 year? So we need to have more things. One of the things that this is more important for developers, but it definitely has many effects on the user experience on Zentyal. So we're going to spend lots of effort in Zentyal internals. There are many things that we can actually improve. One of the things is that there will be a better management, information management and reporting system. We're going to improve that. We're going to make it better so that we understand what is happening and where. The second thing is to Perl or not to Perl. It doesn't mean that we're going to leave Perl language. So this was a decision in the old days, 9 years ago, when Python was not so well funded. Well, we took the decision of working on Perl. But as you know, Perl is a language that is very flexible. You can have a very good, well, depending on the way you implement things, the way you program, you can have a good style. So we're going to improve the style. We're going to rewrite some parts of our code so that it's better understandable, it's more compliant, or it uses a better methodology that is implemented in other languages. And third, it's going to be cleaner, it's going to be better. some of the glitches that some people find, they're going to be removed forever because we're going to remove part of old code. It's going to be much more beautiful from the programmer's point of view. But this is not everything is not about the programmers. It's also about the users. So Poppy has, as you can see, Poppy has been doing a great job with the user interface, and he's going to continue with that job. Right, Poppy? Yes, good. So one of the pending tasks is to review all the Zentyal menus and put more logic there, because, well, some of the menus, for example, infrastructure, it could be introduced, it could be included in Zentyal Core. Communications, maybe we should call it open change and include everything there, things like that, you know. Yes, anything to add to that? No, but well, these are just examples. It's up to the developers and the product marketing to decide these things. But there are some ideas over there that, you know, things that don't make much sense. And probably will continue with the user interface improvements that he has been working so far. So that's all. Any question about the surprise? Are you surprised? Or you were expecting this? Okay, I will join Brent if he does it. It's not the promise. They're not going to be there. Okay, Javi, please.
Well, thank you very much, Nacho.